Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Magical Bombshell. If you're new here, my name is Hope. I am a 26-year-old mom of 2 from Albuquerque. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for clicking. If you are new, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get all my new videos. And I hope you guys like this look today. I'm going to be showing you how to create it. Let's go ahead and we're going to jump right into it. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and did my concealer and my eyebrows, and I put on my tape just because I am going to be moving a little bit faster today, just because I am in a hurry. Me and the kids are going to the zoo with my family members, and basically I'm in a rush. But I have been slacking on giving you guys videos, so here goes nothing. I have my tape, so automatically I'm just gonna go straight into one of my favorite palettes, honestly, so far, by ABH. I do really like their, I believe I have their Modern Renaissance palette as well. I haven't been able to get my hands on the Alyssa Edwards, or what was the other one I wanted to try? I think it was the Alyssa Edwards. Oh, and then that new, which one was it? I don't want to say her name wrong. The new one that just came out yesterday, the Amrezy palette. I do want to try that one, just because, I mean, I love all of Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. Their brow powder, dip brow powder, all of that. I always go back and forth between Anastasia Beverly Hills and Benefit for my eyebrows, but when it comes to palettes, I always get excited for ABH. They're really soft, they're easy to blend, super pigmented, and I don't ever really have anything bad to say about them. I know some people don't like them necessarily because they do have fallout, but with the amount of pigmentation that you get and the amount of like the pressed glitters and all that, the amount of stuff that you get to be able to put on your eyes, I think it's worth it. So I'm gonna go right in. I think I'm gonna take the color, actually I want my inner corner to be neon, so I'm mostly gonna be in the Jackie Aina palette, but for my inner corner I think I want to go into my 39L Hippolytes palette. And I'm gonna go in with this color. What is it called? Reckless, I believe. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Reckless. Okay. So let's go in. Grab that super bright pink. It's definitely neon for sure. Oh yeah. Like so, just putting that on the first half of your inner corner and your first outer lid is what I would call it. And remember, it's okay if this line isn't perfect because that's gonna get blended out. So the harsh line that you're creating right now will not stay there. And I think my kids are here. I think I just heard them come. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna go in with that color. It's called Daring in my 39L Hit the Lights Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and just follow that right after that hot pink. Actually, gonna go in with the color Hot Stuff, Not Daring. And I'm kind of just packing that color on at first because you want it to be super pigmented, and like I said, you're gonna blend that color out anyway. So it's okay if it gets messy. And then I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to go in with the color Big Wig from my Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette right here. And I'm going to pack that into my outer corner. And you're going to kind of take that Big Wig and you're going to use that color to blend out those harsh lines that you have from your other colors. I'm taking that red color, sorry, I need to learn the names of these already, Hot Stuff, and I'm just going to take that same color and pack it into my underline just below where I put it on my lid. And I'm going to go in with another little sponge brush and grab that same color, that hot pink color from the palette called Reckless, and just retouch that up on my inner corner. And then same thing, taking that hot pink and dragging it into my underwater line. Just blending that into the red. Going back with my fluffy brush and going back in with Big Wig and just blending that into the under eye as well. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the tape off, which is gonna give you that clean line right there. And I'm gonna go do my face and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did my foundation, my contour, my highlight. I did add my little highlight to my inner corner and right under my brow as well. I did also do my falsies and added my jumbo NYX pencil. I don't know why it's not focusing on that. Anyway, I put that on my inner waterline just to open my eye up a little bit. And I added some mascara. And my NYX setting spray. And last but not least, I think I'm just gonna go in with my little Wet n Wild, what color is this one? Behind the Bleacher. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that color and place it on my lips right away. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. If you like the way it turned out, let me know. If you guys want me to do some more bright colors or some more neons, I am trying to do more neon looks and more dramatic looks. Any comment is appreciated. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, have a good night.